Hi mga kapuso, I'm Plume and this is Up Close. Ano po ako, night owl kasi I really hate mornings kasi sa Baguio sobrang lamig ng umaga dun. Para po sa akin yung Kidlat kasi yung story po ng Kidlat is based on my actual life experiences. So, para sa akin, yun yung pinaka close to my personal self. Ghost of You by My Chemical Romance. Si Zild po. Please collab. Yung pinaka-surprising thing about myself that I found is na I can talk to people. Kasi super taong bahay lang po talaga ako before doing this artist thing. So, ako rin po nagugulat na I could handle conversations with other people and interact with them, ganun. So, yun po. Sa akin po nung Awit Awards kasi nung time na dumating ako dun sa Meralco Theater, I was surrounded by yung mga artists na nakikita ko lang dati sa YouTube, pinapakinggan ko lang sa Spotify. I was in the same room with Dilaw, with Ben and Ben, Rob Daniel, yung mga ganun. So, nung time na yun, I was like, oh, so, do I belong here? Parang ganun pa. Pero, nung tumagal, nag-sink in din sa akin na I actually made it na. Parang ganun. I'd like to change my theme. Kasi yung naging themes ng songs ko so far has been mostly about love, like different kinds of love. Ganun. Like for Kidlat, it was unexpected love. Panggap was self-love. Beautiful was about just a love letter for someone. And Panaginip, pinaka-recent, is longing for love. So, siguro this year, I'd want to change up the topics of my songs. And siguro the sound din. Maybe something closer to what I actually listen to. Ganun. I hope to be able to play with other artists na I am a fan of na and sana ano rin like mag-improve yung performance ko on stage, get rid of my stage fright, mga ganun, and to write better songs for everyone.